Jameir, this is Mr. Schrader from your Algebra 1 class. I wanted to detail a YouTube video showing you one skill that was a little weak on your exit ticket scores. Moving from a table to a graph. So in the first part of this problem, typically we see that we asked to convert equations into a table. You nailed that, you were right on top of that. So what happens when we move from the table to a graph? So typically on an exam, they will give you a blank graph. I took the liberty of go ahead and labeling our axes, but this is incredibly important for you to do. Typically, we put X on the horizontal axis and the Y on the vertical axis. These will not be labeled on an exam. Make sure to label them. Now remember that when we look at tables, we have to figure out ordered points, ordered pairs. And the ordered pair on the table comes in the form of one X value and one Y value. So straight up and down, that's an ordered pair. So we have to go 0 in the X direction and -2 in the Y direction. So I'm going to count off 2 tick marks downward, -1 and -2. We go 0 in the X because we know that it's X from this. We go -2 in the Y, so I'm going to count down 1, 2. This is our point right here. This is 0, -2. Next point, 1, 1. So I'm going to go 1 in the X, so I'm going to count off 1 tick on the rightwards X, and I'm going to count 1 tick on the upwards Y. So I'm going to go 1 in the X and 1 in the Y. And this is a point. 1, 1. Next ordered pair, 2, 4. So 2 in the X. I'm going to count off a second tick in the X. And I'm going to count off 2, 3, 4 in the Y. So 2 in the X takes us to here. Add 4 more in the Y takes us to here. And that is 2, 4. So by now, we've got 3 points. We can form a line by connecting the dots. If we plotted that 4th point, it'd be right on that line. It would be 3 in the X and 7 in the Y. And we would do more tick marks to accommodate that. Remember to put arrows on both ends of your line to tell us that the line goes forever, and this is how we move from table to graph. So good luck with the midterm tomorrow. I hope this video was of some use to you.